No large organization can long continue without a strong element of authority and respect for authority. There must be in any healthy, effective body, here perhaps I trespass on delicate ground in the presence of so many ministers of the Crown, but there must be in any effective body, I'll risk it, a sense of collective security. It is a broad question whether any measure of regimentation is compatible with art. In another country, which certainly shall be nameless, an artist would be sent to a concentration camp for putting too much green in his sky, or too much blue in his trees. Even more grievous penalties would be reserved for him if he should be suspected of preferring vermilion to madder brown. We should all agree that such rigor was excessive over here.